2006 Nissan Pathfinder. Check engine lights on with some other lights on the dash, struggling to start, and we got a flickering oil light. Investigated, found the oil light was low in oil. The check engine light is indeed on. Hooked up the scan tool, went into OBD2, grabbed some code, and we found a P0340. That's going to be the camshaft position sensor bank 1. Pull us up a wiring diagram, typical 3 wires. Get this cover out of the way, 2 10mm head bolts. Sometimes this cover is a pain. Looking at your engine head on, bank 1 is going to be on your passenger side, bank 2 is going to be on your driver's side. Slip on over to bank 1, look down the back side of the head, locate the sensor at the bottom of the head, all the way at the bottom. The red wire on the sensor is going to be your 12 volt. The brown wire is going to be your ground. Both of those were good. Now we want to tackle that signal wire. Grabbing our lab scope, we set up for 20 volts at 200 milliseconds. Go ahead and back probe. Go ahead and fire up the motor. We indeed have a pattern, a little bit chattery. Monitor some data while we're waiting here. Engine speed, mass airflow, the battery, injector pulse, and of course timing. After about a half an hour, the sensor just blanked out on me. Would not restart. As you can see, there was a sensor design change. Sensor's located easiest if you go down here. Got 2 bolts. One on this wiring harness is going to be a 12mm head. The other is on the sensor. That's going to be a 10mm head. Swapping out the sensors, it's going to be easier for you to pull out the sensor with the wiring harness attached. So in order to get the wiring harness off, you need to push the connector. You might have to push it 15 times, but it will come loose eventually. Once you get that all secure, get that sensor back in there, a couple more things that you need to do would be clear the codes, take it on a test drive. After you get back from that test drive, allow it to cool at least 100 degrees. Then go ahead and retest drive it. And if the light stays out, more than likely you fix your problem. If you found this a value video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.